I was gonna go up here and show Dylan and Don around a couple of the trails. I'm on the Moto KX250, so I've got no recluse, and it doesn't really want to idle, so this is gonna be fun. But want to get the trails cleaned off so we can see where they go. That's new. How'd you go around that?
I went that way. Like, went up straight up the street.
Gotta watch because there's barbed wire. Thing's garbage. So they need a little bit of cleaning. Where's my boys at? One of us gonna have to stay back so they know where to go. I don't even know if they'll know where to go now. He might. On me so I can turn up the idle a little bit. all these trees down. Man, I cannot clutch this up at all. This hairpin turn up here is where it can get a little spicy. Where's the cricket? Dillon is down. That's the spot I was worried, because if you don't know the angle, the way the hillside goes down, you can't get your foot down and you just fall over and you get stuck down in that ravine. So the first time everybody does it, almost everybody messes up there the first time, and then every other lap after that you can kind of anticipate and get around it. There he goes. Oh! I hope you had the GoPro rolling. Dylan, I hope you've got the GoPro rolling. Don't worry, Dylan, about 100 people have done the same thing you just did. I've done it myself. Yeah, that's the spot I was talking about. Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Trying to go that way.
Oh! So, did you get past the switchback? Because normally it's like you come around that switchback and you don't realize that.
He got in between like the 4 little trees that we shot up through.
Yeah.
He got up in there and spun out.
Yeah. So after you realize what this part is, every time after that you're good. But yeah, so there's more trees down that there weren't down a month ago. We need to just like start riding across this log.
There you go. Save them tips off the end and just hop up there and
got to go right across.
So a lot of times people get on that side and they don't know what's going to happen, so they can't put their foot down because it's downhill and they just fall over.
Well, that wasn't the problem for me because I saw that part and I leaned over to my right. But when I came down it, I was like straight at the very top side of turn. I hit, you see that tree stump that kind of
The big
weird
root?
where it's like flat on the bottom? I hit that and it messed me up. I didn't have any momentum and then I hit it and then there's 4 trees there that you have to go in between, messed me up, and then
When that goes up and then like cuts back down like that, it's one of them, like you said, like once you do it and you know
You're good.
Coming, you just, it's one of them things you just gotta go.
You had the GoPro rolling?
no, it's dead. I had it dead when
Oh no,
when we
man.
left I realized it was dead.
Oh no.
This one was.
You have to go do all that and crash again. Nope. Probably had to get out of his way because he's going to need somewhere to stop at up here. Oh! There we go! Heck yeah.
That's
I'm blind.
shutting me
My
up.
goggles fell down. I couldn't see. I saw you moving, and I couldn't see if I was aiming at you.
At one point we had this all cleared out and nice. It's definitely not a GP loop. It's definitely a single track. It's great for 2 strokes.
Not a fat heavy cow.
Yeah, I hate riding my 450 out here. It's puking antifreeze before I finish one loop.
Your spark buster broke on the left side.
One thing I love about having that fan. It's annoying and it's noisy, but it's
The what?
the fan.
Oh yeah.
Forward on it.
Celtec fan. That's off.
Okay.
Yeah, fans are a must-have for this kind of stuff.
This thing's awesome. It kicks on one time and it's all it's done.
All right, I'll be up there if you guys need me. Wrong way. Went the wrong way.
Over in here's where I got confused where to go. I just kind of made it the way that direction.
Yeah. This thing will not idle.